Well, here we are pulling through Stevenson, Alabama. Got some backwaters we're going to check out in Crow Creek. See if we can't get to some spots where boats aren't going to be. Find out where the fishing pressure is not that high, because there are boats, I mean, everywhere. We'll get up here, see what it looks like. I came out here earlier today, it looked really good. So today we're just going to go and try to scout us out some more fish and hopefully get on to something pretty good. We'll see how it goes. Oh, there's a good one. Oh yeah.